If Brazil takes home another World Cup title in 2014, the De Silvas might be the only family to count all 6 of its wins on one hand. All the members of this Brazilian family were born with an extra finger on each hand, known as polydactyly. It's a rare genetic condition, but ask any of them and they'll tell you it's more of a blessing than a curse.
The techniques I use to play with 6 fingers, I get from the techniques people use to play with 5 fingers.
Bom, legal, eu tenho orgulho de ter 6 dedos.
It's cool. I'm proud of having 6 fingers. It's easier to grab things and do other stuff.
And that pride never shines more brightly than during this year's World Cup, the local media making them a symbol of hope that Brazil will lock down its 6th World Cup title.
Since the last World Cup, we've wanted Brazil to win its 6th championship, so we can show with our 6 fingers the number of times Brazil has won.
This year, they'll be on the edge of their seats during each match, keeping all 12 fingers crossed. Robert Bumstead, Associated Press.